Hi there. What's your name?
My name is Julia, and you?
I'm Susan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Susan.
Where are you from, Julia?
I'm from Boston. How about you?
I'm from New York.
That's cool. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a teacher. What do you study?
I study English. Do you teach?
Yes, I teach English too.
That's great. How long have you taught?
I've taught for 5 years now.
That's impressive. Do you like it?
Yes, I love teaching English.
Why do you love teaching English?
It's rewarding to see students improve.
That sounds fulfilling. Where do you teach?
I teach at a language school.
That's interesting. Is it a big school?
Yes, it's quite a large school.
How many students are there?
There are about 500 students.
Wow, that's a lot of students.
Yes, it keeps me busy.
Do you teach all levels?
Yes, from beginners to advanced.
That must be challenging.
It can be, but it's rewarding.
Do your students come from different countries?
Yes, they come from all over.
That must be interesting.
It is, I learn a lot.